In this video, we will show you how to file an interstate user diesel fuel tax return. We protect all the confidential information you provide to us. First, go to the website cdtfa.ca.gov and at the top, click on Login. That will take you to the Online Services login page. You must log in with a username and password. For assistance with creating a username and password, please watch our tutorials online. On the CDTFA Online Services login page, we will enter our username and password, then click Login. On the Online Services profile page, we will click on the Diesel Interstate User hyperlink. This will take us to the account page for Diesel Interstate User. Under the Periods tab, click on the return period for which you would like to file. In our example, we will file for the third quarter 2019 period, which is displayed by its return end date of September 30th, 2019. Click the File Return hyperlink next to the period for which you are filing. This brings us to the Taxable Transactions page. Enter the number of total miles operated by your qualified motor vehicles during the quarter being reported in the first box. If your vehicle's odometer is in kilometers, you must convert it into whole miles. To convert kilometers to miles, multiply the total kilometers by 0.6214 and then round to the nearest whole mile. Do not include qualified motor vehicles that are included in your IFTA fleet. Enter the total gallons of diesel fuel used to operate all your qualified motor vehicles during the quarter being reported in the second box. If you purchase fuel in liters, it must be converted to whole gallons. To convert the number of liters to gallons, multiply the total number of liters by 0.2642 and round to the nearest whole gallon. Enter all miles operated in California by all your qualified motor vehicles in the third box. Enter the total number of tax-paid gallons of diesel fuel purchased in California, if any, in the last box. Remember to enter numbers in whole gallons only. Do not include diesel exhaust fuel, DEF, or reefer and other fuels that are not placed into the tank that powers the vehicle. Only include fuel that is purchased in California where tax was collected and you have a valid fuel receipt. In this example, we will enter 9,150 on the first row, 1,782 on the second row, and 1,544 on the third row. After entering our taxable transactions, click Next. On the Summary page, review the information displayed. Any rates reflected in this example are for illustration purposes only. Please visit our website for current rates at cdtfa.ca.gov. If corrections need to be made, click on the Previous button to return to the applicable pages to edit information. If everything is correct, click Next. Enter your required information and click Submit. When you click Submit, a window will appear to confirm your intent to file electronically and that your return is true, correct, and complete. Please read the information carefully. Enter your password and click OK to submit. This will serve as your authorization and confirmation. You will not receive a confirmation email. This confirmation page represents a return filing only. Please take note of your confirmation number and the total amount due. We recommend that you print this page for future reference. To make an electronic payment, click on the Make a Payment button. To print your submitted return, click on the Print Return button. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115, California Relay Service at 711.